Yeah, yeah, proceed.
Yeah. So in this case, there will be a contract management in this purchasing department, and a contract document will be there. So from there, we will be creating a purchase order. Then from the purchase order, we'll be creating inbound delivery. So after creating inbound delivery, it will reach to the warehouse. Some security check will be happening. After that, we will allow a truck to reach to the door, and a door assignment will be happening. And docking. Docking means the truck will be waiting in a particular area, that is in a some like waiting hall. It's called as docking. So after that, the truck will be unloaded. Some external ID will be given to the inbound delivery. There, with the help of this RFUI screen, this RFUI mobile, uh, the users will create one HU, and they will print the label and attach to it. After that, undocking and checkout. The truck will go out of the warehouse. After that, we will inspect the quality of the products what we have get into the warehouse. So if it is perfect, then we will utilize for put away, and then goods receipt. The same will be posted in the posting change. If the quality is not good, the stock will be in a blocked state. The same blocked state will be posted to the posting change. So next one is inbound from inter or intra company with STO. It means transferring of goods from one plant to another plant with the same company code. Um, for this, we will be creating a STO, stock transport order. It will be within our plant to plant. Then with the help of STO, we will be creating an outbound delivery. From the outbound delivery, we'll be doing goods issue. This all will happen in a receiving plant. In the receiving plant, this STO, outbound delivery, and goods issue will happening. After that, in the receiving plant, we will do this inbound delivery creation. This will be in a the materials where the plant will be sending that thing, and inbound delivery will be created in a receiving plant. After that, same again, the security check, door assignment, unloading, HU scanning and creating, undocking, quality check. If it is blocked and unblocked, the same will be posted in the posting change. Next, for inbound delivery for intra company. Intra company means it belongs to a different company codes. This materials are transferred between plants belonging to different company codes. First, we will be creating a purchase order, and in the MIGO transaction, there will be some movements will be happening. After that, inbound delivery creation, and then the same security checks and all the same process: the door assignment, truck unloading, scanning, undocking, quality check, and posting change. This is for customer returns. For customer returns, there will be an sales order will be placed first, sales order, and then from the sales order we will create a inbound delivery creation. Then same the security check and everything will be same. Yeah, that's it. I have prepared our returns. I
Okay.
have explained this. That's it.
No. Okay. Good. Okay. Okay. Okay, Ramya.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So anyway, still whatever the process additionally, is there in the scope now. So those process also you can able to add it. Hmm?
Yeah, I will add it.
But initially, first slide should be about the company, about all the what they do, all the information you put it as a one slide. Then
Okay.
org structure, then master data also you can put it. What are the different type of material currently they have, right? So they have dry
Hmm.
foods, right? Dry goods, right?
Dry goods, raw materials, packing materials.
Yeah. So those details like that. Then you add it all the process, right? So process, I think they have more. So maybe we will take this is as the as a fit gap. Maybe put those flow diagram. Then we will talk it. Generally, the flow diagram the consultant we need to design. But if you can able to design the same flow diagram, no issues. Otherwise, you can use the same flow diagram, no problem. Okay.
Okay.
So keep the slide same, but you keeps on add it whatever the further process also you can able to add it from upcoming sessions. Hmm?
Okay.
Yeah, so I think Shubham told that okay tomorrow can prepare it. So to Shubham,
Yes, sir.
yeah, so can you prepare the same and present tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because Saturday Sunday we had a holiday, so we the same thing. I think I thought everyone has prepared the slides so that you'll understand the process. Otherwise, next to the project, so based on the process, what you have understanding, right? So here it's not like just the configurations of EWM warehouse structure or EWM inbound process. So on prior to that, so we need to understand what all the business process currently they have and what kind of company they are first, what are the product they are manufacturing, right? So generally we know create one material do inbound, create one material do outbound, create one material for production process like that. But here the project is not like that. So we should understand about the customer, and we should understand about the product, and we should understand about the procurement process, as well as the sales process and production process. So based on that need to execute the project. So that is the reason expected everyone to prepare the slides about the company, whatever you basically understand. So I think Ramya prepared, it's fine, but we corrected so small changes. Same way everyone can able to present it. Hmm? Yeah. So tomorrow can you present Shubham?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So about Ravi Kiran.
Dinesh, I was not feeling well from Saturday. I was not able to open laptop. Give me
Mhm.
today time. I will also present tomorrow.
Okay. Okay. Okay, fine, no problem. So maybe Sai today, maybe any BPML related process or anything you can
Sure,
able to.
sure.
Yeah.
Okay. These are project deliverables. Okay. I have explained the business process. Coming to the BPML business process, what are the process we are okay, sorry. These are the process that are existing in the project. Okay. Okay. What are the process? This is a config, extended warehouse system and EWM system like EWM structure like storage type, storage section, storage bin, work centers, activity areas. Like these are EWM master data. Okay. And like product master data, business partner data, supply chain unit, pack spec, and resource management, and the stock types, party and data dispose, batch management, handling unit management, transportation units, like various document types like inbound delivery, outbound delivery, internal movements, physical inventory documents, And coming to the inbound process, like goods receipt preparation, unloading goods receipt, and posting goods receipt. Same like put away processing, we are having POSC and LOS. Okay. Deconsolidation and value added services. Coming to outbound processing, wave creation is there, warehouse order creation rule, POSC, and stock removal strategies, and storage type determination. Internal movements like replenishment, uh, ad hoc movements, and posting changes. Multiple step various movements comes under POSC, right? So already we are talked about the POSC in the inbound process. No need of fiscal inventory, everyone aware of it, right? We can count the exact physical stock between book inventory and system inventory, and we need to post the difference. Coming to the various monitoring, like what we want to see the exact stock of physical stock and available stock, and we can, if they want to report, they want to generate an Excel. Suppose they want to email the report for the what is the exact stock quantity and available quantity of particular email, they can do it. Okay, exception handling, everyone aware of it, right? What are the exception codes we are using for our existing business process? CH CHBD is for to change the destination bin. CHBA is the to change the destination batch. BPRP is for partial peak denial and partial peak denial with replenishment warehouse task. We can create yard management, value added services, and kitting. Don't worry about this data capture and resource management. You can aware of it, right? Like RF framework and PPF actions also you are aware of it. Last one, I like BC sets. I will show you what are the BC sets we need to install in my you need to install in your system, and master data upload once we configure all this process in our system. What is the final cutover activities like uh, go live, before go live we used to do cutover activities, right? Like moving our master data to production system, uploading data. Suppose business is having the store data, we want to move it to production system, we used to do this is one of our cutover activities. Like storage bin, loading stock, each one I will show you in the upcoming slides. Okay, regarding this process we have any doubts? All are simple process currently we are using, means process is same but in executing is a little bit different. These are the test scripts we have done. So this is for entire like creation of architecture, sorry, creation of enterprise structure like three-digit values, planned and storage location, that defining creation of storage location in warehouse, then assigning plan as well as storage locations to three-digit warehouse. Next, creation of four-digit warehouse, like define control parameters for a four-digit warehouse, number ranges, availability group, and define various process type and storage type, and put away strategies. Suppose if you want to maintain any particular availability to group to a particular storage type, you can maintain. These are the end user scripts we need to write. Okay, coming to the roles. Mm, don't worry. I will give you the what are the rules we need to uh, provide in the existing business functionality I will provide you. Actually, in coming to the purchasing department will create a purchase order. So once the purchasing department has been created, it will go for higher authority, like approval if there is any multiple approvals or any PR release strategy is there, purchasing order release strategy is there. Of the once it's completed, then the vendor sends an email. Then the warehouse clerk will create an inbound delivery VL31N. Or else some people what they will do, they will run for a background job. Okay, once the background jobs runs automatically, the inbound delivery will get generated and get distributed. How it will get distributed based on plant and storage location. I will provide you in tomorrow's what is the exact program name where we can schedule the background job along with the plant and storage location. Okay. Once the warehouse clerk has been created, in our current business, warehouse clerk will create the VL31N. Once the inbound delivery get created and distributed, as usual, like we will do the goods receipt, warehouse clerk will do the goods receipt. Next, warehouse resource will do is like keep moving from stock one place to another place, and confirming the warehouse order. Okay. I will give tomorrow. I will give you the list of this one. Like what are the rules? I mean rules like who is to do the role and what exactly. I will provide you the rules. Okay. Next, once again, I will show you the KDS. Yeah, KDS Okay. One second. Okay, what are the PO types we have used? See, these are the PO types we have used. Like NB2 is the returns to vendor, UB is STO, and placement. Yeah, this is the normal PO. Like yeah, NB we are using, right? Like that. This is the normal PO, and no need to worry, right? Because the purchasing department will create all these purchase orders. No need to worry about it. Just we have created only these PO types, and we are generating to we are extending to the EWM, and these are the PR types, PO condition, and these are my valuation classes. No need to worry. These are all my material groups and material types. Like mainly we are using like VERP and ROH, ERSA, and FERT. Okay. This is related to MM only. Do you have any queries regarding this KDS document? No need to worry. This belongs to total for materials management team. Okay, these are the different type of PO types we are using, and PR types, and like PO condition which we maintain at the item category level, and valuation classes. Okay, and while creating material master, what type of valuation classes we need to maintain, like 3020 we used to use for raw materials, and 7020 for mm, I think semi finished product, uh, and 9000 I think for finished product. I think we used to use the valuation classes. Okay, and material group. Okay, these are the material types. Any doubts regarding this KDS of MM part? Hello.
Yeah, it's clear.
It's good. Okay. Now coming to the EWM, with EWM. Okay. Now mainly coming to our EWM. Okay. I already told that we are having three different warehouses. Okay, one warehouse is sending one warehouse will have raw materials, pack materials. Another warehouse will used to have like spare parts, and third one is for finished good. What we will do, we will consume these two materials to sorry two different warehouses like raw materials, pack materials, and one spare parts we will consume based on the production. We used to consume this from two warehouses. We used to consume raw material, pack materials, and production and spare parts, and we will make the finished good that we will send to your final storage step. Okay, my plant is A070. See, it is totally the cold storage. You can able to see this. Only we need to focus on the WM, which are mapped to our WM only. One, two is finished good warehouse. Okay, these are finished good warehouse damage. Okay, 1010. These are ejected warehouse. Okay, means suppose once the quality has been tested, they want to move to scrapping, right? So that belongs to this warehouse as well as this storage location. And there we have having different storage locations. So you can able to see like one number starts with the finished good, sorry, for finished good purpose, and two numbers starts from raw materials and packed materials, and five with spare parts. Okay, coming to E070, these are raw materials, packed materials warehouse. Okay, and last one is spare parts. These are the one, two, three, 4, and 5. There are 5 storage locations which are mapped over WM to EWM. Okay, here you can able to see like a plant and my storage location and storage location description. Don't worry about our IM. Okay, we are not focusing on IM. See, you can able to see this this is my 4-digit warehouse, my storage type description, my storage section also. They have clearly mentioned like this is my storage type. This is my this this entire complete this belongs to finished good. Okay, you can able to see like ANGR, finished good, raw materials, pack materials warehouse, spare part warehouse. Okay, and coming to these are my raw materials and packed materials, and this is my spare parts, and this is my like bottle storage, varied caps, and flow storage. Okay, and warehouse structure finally like this it will be there like warehouse number combination with the storage type and storage section with the, along there with description. Next, put away strategies. What strategies need to be maintained? Like this is for only for this section indicator. What section indicator we need to maintain? Because it's a beverages, right? Then we are having different type of storage sections here with the storage section indicator. Each warehouse having different storage type with the storage section indicators.
No.
And the number ranges need to be started from this. Okay,
Yeah, yeah. No, I mean,
Same
small,
well as
one
picking
small
strategy.
meeting. Shall I call it deliverables?
First expert, first out.
Yeah,
All are,
okay.
because it's a manual batch management, right? We are maintaining. So based on that, we are maintaining as first expert, first out. Coming to this is this is the bin structure we are maintaining. Actually, the levels will be like, the bin structure will be like this. Okay, here you can able to see like the bin structure will be different here. Don't get confused here. Here the what the business has suggested us, so that we are created our own bin structure. Like on the first bin need to be first bin, like it will be like a LOSC thing like that, the bin, the storage type. So based on that, we have created our bin structure. It will be incremented like see RMAM 01 dash 01 dash 100A, then 100B, then 300, next 300B, not 200, next 200B, not like that. Here the, as per there, we have designed our own bin structure. Based on that, this is the bin structure for our warehouse. This is a level 1 and level ground, and level 2 ground plus 1, G plus 1. Okay. These are my shipping points. Okay. And loading points. This is my loading groups like crane, conveyor belt, forklift, and manually. I already explained about the valuation class in previous session, previous slide. Okay. These are mainly we have told no spare parts, finished good, NLAG, ROH, non-valued materials, packaging materials, and assets. Don't worry about these assets. Okay. Shipment type. What type of shipment types we are using? Then coming to reason of rejection when we are doing the quality, right? Or vendor returns. Clearly mention the rejection reason for vendor returns. Okay. Storage conditions and shipping conditions. Is the temperature condition, because it's a cold storage type. We need to maintain the temperature conditions for each storage type, as we have clearly here it was mentioned like various structure. See, all are belongs to cold storages. This entire 2010, sorry, 1010 belongs to cold storage type. This is the KDS document. Okay. Regarding this KDS, if you have any queries, you can ask me. KDS is nothing but what we are preparing, the exactly the entire out structure. What is our storage type? What is the storage section? What type of media, document types we are using? What is the bin structure? What are the strategies we are maintaining put away and picking strategies, HU number ranges, and what are the combination of plant, storage location, and warehouse we are mapping. Each and everything we need to maintain in our KDS. Suppose if there is any storage section indicator, storage sections also is there, we need to maintain the storage section, and storage section indicator also we need to maintain. Picking strategies, as I already explained you about, like storage location confirmation and warehouse structure along with the storage section indicators. Suppose any quality is there, the quality slide was not added. Quality is there. What are the usage decisions we are making? We are taking when you are dialing, when you are doing put away, and when you are testing the quality, that we need to add it. And storage conditions, because it's a temporary, fully cold storage, right? We need to maintain our storage conditions also. This KDS document I have explained, and storage type I already explained. Storage section, storage bin, and coming to second. In this today's, I have explained about the KDS. I have explained, and BBP I already explained the scope document. Functional spec I will cover you. Master data, sure. Authorizations and roles I will provide you by tomorrow. What are the authorizations and roles need to be maintained? Okay. And coming to test scripts, already in this document, what are the end user test scripts we need to provide? We need to uh, write down the steps like this, and we need to provide them. Coming to user manual and user UAT test script as well as user manual, both are same. No need to worry. And RISEF also I will explain you. And coming to fit gap analysis, fit gap analysis will be, you need to provide what exactly fit gap analysis need to be maintained for our business. Like we need to. I already showed right last time what is the exact process. We need to demonstrate exactly what is their existing business and what currently the business is looking for. We need to uh, provide a exact fit gap, and we need to demonstrate to the business. Regarding this, you can any queries you can ask me.
So what is KDS stands?
Hello.
Sorry, what is KDS stands for?
Key data structure. What exactly you are configuring, right? Like enterprise structure, master data, each and another comes in the here the KDS key data.
Yeah, what is scrapping process?
Scrapping.
Yeah,
Scrapping means nothing. Once your quality has been tested, whether you want to move to a final put away or you can directly scrap, right? Scrap your material is nothing but you will go for a blocked storage type,
okay,
or they can damage the goods. Like once the goods has been damaged, directly you will not you consume, right? You will directly move to storage. Like using ad hoc movements, you can directly move to the blocked area.
okay.
What are the processes you have covered? Like how many processes you are aware of it? Based on that, you try to already you prepare the documents, right? Based on your once you are are aware of all this, then we can go for it. Like tomorrow onwards. I will explain the process. What are the inbound process, outbound process? Like what are the existing process are there in our particular business? We will explain what are the process. Based on that, we will go further. Because based on your processing, aware of your process, then we can go further. Please, I think Ravi is for supporting for a. He told that he is supporting for a support project. Shubham also is a new fresher coming to Ramya. Please tell me what are the process you aware of it.
Yeah, I
Hi.
I have worked on this basic inbound and outbound process.
Hmm.
So, uh, in outbound process, we are having one process for this partial quantity,
Hmm.
um, and for full pallet quantity, there is some another process.
Hmm.
Different storage location, storage types will be there. From there, um, we will create a outbound delivery, and it will be placed to the staging area. And there is another toad process,
Okay.
which is very uh, small than a pallet.
Okay.
That will be also in a some particular storage type. We will be triggering that
Okay.
and creating this wave and creating tasks, then staging, then to the staging area.
Okay.
And I'm aware of layer down process. That is like, suppose if we are having 40 HUs in a one pallet, but
Okay.
customer need 30 HUs.
Okay.
So at that time, uh, each layer having 10 HUs, then I can remove one layer. So
Means you
in
will
my
going to pick point.
mm, yeah, in
Okay.
my project, I'm having a layer down robot. So the robot will
Okay.
take care of this, removing a layer, one layer, and sending the 30 to the staging, and remaining 10 again back to the
Okay.
location.
It's a MF, it's a MFS project
Is
or
MFS,
automated?
MS, MFS project. Yeah.
Okay. Then you are using decentralized system, right?
Yes, I am using decentralized.
Mm. What about the production process, quality management, vendor returns, customer returns?
Yeah, replenishment I have aware.
Okay.
Yeah, customer returns I don't have idea.
Okay.
Production order, yeah, it is there.
Customer returns. I didn't get you, Ramya.
Customer returns I don't have idea. Um, I have worked on this
Okay. Okay. Here it will be
STO
covered.
creating, and
It will
yeah.
okay. Okay. Sure. Sure. Tomorrow onwards, I will explain what exactly you want to tell me. Please tell me, because what exact process you are not aware of it. You three of tell me. One second. Let me. What process you want exactly? Because I don't know this process. Can you explain from your end? You can tell me based on that. I will explain you all the process.
Okay, we will prepare.
You want to prepare it
No, we will check which process we are not aware, and inform you.
because all these process like here what I will explain you is let me one second. Inbound vendor returns, customer returns.
Sir, I don't know about production. Yeah.
Yeah, that I'm mentioning. Ravi. Inbound POC, LOC, outbound POC, quality, vendor returns, customer returns, production planning will be covered here. If you can give any other process you want to tell.
Physical inventory.
Okay. Okay. These are the topics I will cover. Okay. If you have any queries, you can ask me regarding this. Final like template and all our test scripts already in this there already the test scripts has been written. Okay. What are the integrations we used to do? That will also I will cover. Okay. And what are the busy sets we need to install? That one also I will provide you to you. Each and every, all these topics I will explain. If you have any queries, you can ask me.
Okay. Yeah. So side by side, you guys can able to focus the deliverable also. So whatever Ramya today prepared, so still so many process is not added, right? So those process also whatever currently they have, including production, everything keeps added. So these process only we called as a BPML, right? So in inbound also, let's say there are various inbound process, right? With pack specification is there, right? And so many parameter is there. Consider as a as a individual process in BPML. So once you prepare the BPML, I think he will share that sheet actually. So you can also finally you can update what all the go through the scope and update the BPML. As of now, you focus what all the process currently that company group they have all the inbound related process, all the outbound. So we tell about inbound outbound, but under that again there are so many processes there. Inbound itself we can classify more than 7 to 8 process we can able to add it. So maybe some pack specifications will be there. So so they have a transfer also, so like that so many process same way outbound and production related process also you add it. And from tomorrow onwards, okay, so I will start based on the he will so how the configuration you are going to execute. So are you going to show the configuration in front of them, or maybe you already done the configuration, the step by step you are going to execute?
Configuration, if I want to show me, it will take so much time. So much time it will take to in front of them. I need to configure means it will take
Yeah,
so
yeah.
much.
Yes, yes. So then what we can do, the whatever the step-by-step process is required for the configuration, so just explain about those process. So I
Sure.
think they are already trained in AWM.
Yeah.
So already, yeah, you also configured there is IN03 warehouse. So
Yeah.
maybe in each first session, okay, these are all the basic integrations. Then these are all the like that you can able to maybe per day 2 to 3 process you can able to execute like that.
Sure. Sure.
So then yeah, so once we completed all the process, I mean along with the KDS, so maybe by tomorrow onwards what I'm suggesting, everyone can able to prepare the KDS also. So based on the maybe you just share this template also, Sai. So I
Sure.
will just forward to them. They can able to update the KDS because so once I started the configuration, so I'm expecting you guys also to be configured and you should be in the same track, right? So maybe he can stop one session, then he can correct it if you are where you are lagging. But if you are not configured anything, so then it should be a backlog. So how this we can able to maybe Sai you can able to address this. So you are
Sure.
executing 2 to 3 process today. Maybe if they are not configured in their own warehouse structure based on the KDS, so how these things will go? Because if they are not done, so maybe next day because we need to complete all the topic as a
Mm.
target. But if they are not configured as a KDS as per the KDS, so how we can able to proceed? So if you done all the, I mean, you are going to execute all the process one shot, or maybe they can do configuration later, or maybe you are executed 3 process and same 3 process they also have to configure and test it. So then we will go for another 3 process. So like that, or
Yeah.
what would be the approach here?
This is the good one. I will show them the three process. I
Mm.
want to execute me in front of me, and I will
Mm.
check whether the process is going, everyone is going smooth.
Okay.
Then another three process like that. It is fine. What about Ravi, Shubham, and Ramya? What you will say?
Yeah, it is fine.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so what I'm suggesting from Ramya and Shubham and Ravi, so please get the server access from Jaya. Okay, so you first. I think I don't think so. You have the server access, right? Maybe you can get it the server access are 2 months or 3 months like that. You just talk to Jayalakshmi. So tomorrow onwards, he is going to execute the process. So KDS, I think yes, we can KDS also. I'm suggest maybe tomorrow. Shall we have one session come clearly about only the KDS? Then we will start the further configuration, sign, so that
Sure,
everyone can
sure.
able to in the same page. Otherwise, we execute some sample warehouse structure and the type storage section WBT. But if we have everybody in a single page in the KDS, so
Hmm.
then same warehouse. Okay, let's say we'll give some 3 to 4 warehouse. So one warehouse, let's say have uh, so let's say 5 to 10 type of storage type based on that the process.
Sure, sure.
So
Tomorrow we will discuss about the KDS
yes, yes.
and what
So
exactly need to be maintained.
yeah, yeah.
The
So that
KDS document.
yeah, everyone have the clarity so that the configuration will go. Otherwise, this is the I think planning point of view, right? So otherwise, again, you have to come back. I have to change. They will say, 10012 like that. We will fix it. The storage type, storage sections, those related things. And maybe if you have any, if you can prepare one KDS also, this is a sheet maybe just for one particular warehouse. So another where I think it is going to be different, right? We will take 2 to 3 warehouse also, maybe or how we can, what is the approach? Our one warehouse itself sufficient, we can able to accommodate all the storage type related process or how?
Yeah, we will take one story, one warehouse, and we will accommodate everything on
Okay, so then I think yeah, you prepare one just a KDS. Maybe if you have the the clear KDS related things, so this is
that.
what they are going to copy paste. This kind of storage types or restriction WBT. So that is also fine actually.
Sure,
So then we will start along with that. Then we will start the configuration. Everybody can have the same kind of template can be used.
sure.
So tomorrow the KDS plus we will execute at least the some basic process at least with the simple inbound process. So like that we can able to complete it. So let's say everyone will be in the same page.
Okay.
And yeah, I think Ramya, please add it other process also. Okay, so this is nothing but whatever slides you added. So here you are need to add all the processes, not only for the currently process. If you feel that current company also you are following some specific process, you put as one slide. One slide have one process. So inbound all
Okay.
the process you are making as a single process, but what all the subdivision of the process you can make it as every separate slide. Then finally you can prepare one Excel file high level. Okay, these are all the process. So we are going to be executed here.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay then, no problem. So we'll connect tomorrow. So and apart from this, whatever the PPT and process related things, Shubham and Ravikran, so please deliver it also. Okay.
It's
Okay then. Yeah. Thanks, Sai and
Thank
yeah,
you.
other team. Thank you.
Thank you.